Flutter To app. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To set up the Flutter To app, begin by going to the To app Flutter GitHub page using the link provided in the pinned comment. Click Code and download the zip file to your computer. Extract the zip file, open the extracted folder, and launch git bash inside that directory. Type code, period, to open the project inside VS Code. Open the terminal within VS Code and type flutter pub get to check the dependencies. Next, type flutter pub upgrade to upgrade the dependencies to their latest versions. After the process is complete, type flutter create, period, to resolve and download any missing dependencies that might be required. Now type flutter run to start the program and launch the application. Choose where you want to run the program, such as Windows, Chrome, or Edge. For example, the application launches, the to-do list is ready to use. You can add new to-do items using the add bar located below the interface. And you can also checklist completed items by marking them as done.